Let's solve this question. Sum of three natural numbers x, y, z is equal to 24. Sum of three terms x, y, z, these are three natural numbers and it is given as 24. If the product of x minus 3 and y plus 2 and z minus 5 is maximum, this product is maximum. I know the product of three natural numbers will be maximum when these three numbers will be closest possible, or you can say when the sum of any three term or any three natural number is constant, then the product will be maximum when these three natural numbers will be closest enough. I have x minus 3, y plus 2, z minus 5 as constant, because x plus y plus z is already given me as 24. Now minus 3 plus 2 minus 5 you give me, this is minus 1 minus 6, so 18. So I know the sum of these three terms is constant, that is 18. So product will be maximum when these three terms would be equal. So sum of these three terms is 18. So each term would be x minus 3 would be 18 by 3, y plus 3 would be 18 by 3, z minus 5 is equal to 18 by 3. From here I get x as 6 plus 3. This is 6, 3 goes to this side, 9. Y 6 minus 2, 4. And I got z as 6 plus 5, 11. So I need to find the product of x, y and z. So product of x, y and z becomes 9 into 4, 36, and 36 into 11 is 360 plus 36, that is 396. So correct answer to this question is option B.